think I got him that time.
Hi there. It's June 11th, 2012. I'm all by myself today. Brother had to work. It's okay. So it's my first groundhog of the day. About 250 yards from that other hill over there.
Just got out to the farm. It is June 13th. It's a nice day. It's about 3:12 in the afternoon. Fields look really good. They got all the hay off the field except a few hay bales. Gonna make my way over here around the top of the hill and hopefully down the bottom. We're down here in the bottom earlier, probably about a half hour ago, and I seen two out here, and I figured, you know what, I'm gonna get into the shadows and they get a little bit closer to where they won't be able to see me. Well, I used the shadows to my advantage and got into about 100 yards. Sweet. Gonna wait here a little bit. Maybe some more will come out. I know there's another one in that same exact hole, but who knows? They might not come out of that hole for a little bit. We'll just watch down here in the bottom field and see what happens. I waited a little bit after I got that first one before I went and took a look at it. And I got thinking, you know what? There's a couple little ones there. They might just come out and start looking for the other one. Well, that's what happened. They came out, two of them came out. And I thought about taking both of them at the same time. And you know what? I seen the head of the one. I took its head off. Coming up on the hog. There's hog number one. Down here's hog number two. Oh my God. I literally blew this thing to pieces. Look at the blood. There's blood everywhere. Well guys, as you can see, I got two hogs out of the same spot. This is the first one, that's the second one. VMAX really did a job on this one. Look at that, there's nothing left to it. Well, I stood up here in the shadows. There's about a 110-yard shot. I shot this one first and I figured, you know what, I'm gonna wait a little bit and maybe another one come out. Well, that's what happened. Another one came out, and two of them actually came out. And I took the one in front, and all I could see was blood everywhere in the screen. That's what VMAX does. That's why I use it. We were just standing there watching the other skunks and turned around and looked behind us, and there's a skunk about 15 yards away from us. So we ran off and we're gonna circle around. It doesn't have babies with it, so we're thinking it's a male. I'm gonna move in and see if Alex can get a shot. I ain't getting sprayed. We aren't gonna get sprayed. It scared the crap out of us. There's a skunk all the way back on the other side of the field that had a whole bunch of babies with it. We're gonna sneak in on this one and see if we can kill it. It's all by itself. We're gonna make sure it doesn't have babies though, or else we're gonna have a big mess. Let's see what happens. Go ahead, take it.
Screw the earplugs. Ready?
Go ahead. Dead skunk. Is that your first skunk?
Yeah, probably my last too. Figure out how we get manipulated around where we can shoot legally, right? Yeah. Good shot.
Smoked them. Hey guys, it's June 21st. I'm out here by myself this time, running the camera on my own, so I'm gonna see what happens. Got about a half hour till dark. There's a couple strip of holes I want to go check here. Hopefully they're out. We'll find out. Got my good old 223 with me. I already killed about a dozen with it so far. We'll find out what happens. Stay tuned. Just got out here about 10 minutes ago. Decided to walk up along this edge and seen this guy up on the hill. And I figured, you know what, let's go for its head. I took its head off right there. Hey guys, just another day out here in hog heaven. Gonna work my way around here and hopefully get a few more on the ground. Gonna get a little bit closer. Right now they're about 350 yards. Another day out here in hog heaven. It's June 22nd. Came out here, I was only out here about 8 minutes and seen these two hogs up here in the soybeans. And about 150 yards apiece and got both of them. Thanks for watching our video. Head over to Facebook, YouTube, check out JT Outdoors. Got a lot more coming your way. And archery season's starting to look real good as of right now. We're pumped. Everybody from JT Outdoor crew is pumped. I know I definitely am. We've been out practicing every chance we get and checking out the field and checking out the woods. So spread the word about JT Outdoors. Check us out on Facebook. Check out the rest of our videos on YouTube at JT Outdoors. Thanks for watching.